Today, I'm going to teach you how to add a redline strike through in PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This is particularly useful when you're reviewing documents, marking text for deletion, or collaborating with others on edits. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, you'll need to open Adobe Acrobat on your computer. Once the application launches, you'll be prompted to log in with your credentials. Go ahead and enter your login information to access your account. This step ensures you have full access to all the editing features available in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. After logging in, navigate to the Recent Files section. This area displays all the documents you've worked on recently, making it easy to find what you need quickly. From here, select the PDF file where you want to add the redline strike through. Click on it to open the document in your workspace. Now that your file is open, direct your attention to the left toolbar. This is where you'll find all the annotation and markup tools available in Adobe Acrobat. Look for the highlight button and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear with several text markup options. From this menu, select Strike Through. This tool allows you to draw a line through any text in your document, marking it as content that should be removed or revised. Before you start applying the strike through, you'll want to change its color to red. Still in the left toolbar, locate and click on the color picker. This opens a palette of available colors. From the options presented, select red. This ensures that when you apply the strike through, it will appear in red, making it highly visible and clearly distinguishing your edits from other markings. With the strike through tool active and the color set to red, you're ready to mark your text. Position your cursor at the beginning of the text you want to strike through, then drag it across to the end of that section. As you do this, you'll see a red line appear through the text, clearly indicating that this content is marked for deletion or review. You can repeat this process for any additional text passages that need the same treatment. Once you've finished adding all your redline strike-throughs, it's important to save your work. Look to the upper right corner of the screen and click the Save button. This ensures that all your edits are preserved in the document. Your PDF now contains clear, visible markings that communicate exactly which text should be removed or reconsidered. And there you have it. You've successfully added redline strike-throughs to your PDF document, making your editing intentions crystal clear to anyone reviewing the file. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.